Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a compelling title and description for your affiliate product. Copy original title and go to website called Quillbit.com. Paste the copied text and hit the rephrase button. Your title is the first thing a potential customer sees, so it needs to be attention-grabbing and accurate. It should give the customer an idea of what the product is and what problem it solves. Read the created text. If it needs change, you can press the rephrase button again to generate the title again with modified words. Copy the generated text and paste in replacement of the previous title. Now create a description of that product. For the description, copy the title line and go to the site called articlegenerator.org and paste the keyword and leave the other default options, then click Generate Articles. In a couple of seconds, it will create a description. Copy it. Now the next step is to rewrite that description. Now, to go to the site called spinbot.com, paste the copied article and click on Basic Spin. Wait a few seconds, and it will spin the entire article and rewrite. Copy that rewritten article and paste it into document and save the document. In the next video, I will show you how to make keywords with search volume research and keyword difficulty checker.